Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've been wanting to use Claude Opus 4.8 but don't want to pay for a subscription, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you a website that gives you $5 of free AI credits every month. And you can use those credits to access Claude Opus 4.8 without buying a Claude Pro subscription. So let's get started. If you are a student, developer, or someone who loves testing the latest AI models, you probably know that Claude Opus 4.8 is one of the most powerful coding and reasoning models today. The problem is that using premium AI models usually requires a paid subscription. But today I am going to show you a platform called v0.app's that gives every account $5 in free monthly credits, and you can spend those credits on Claude Opus 4.8. I'll also show you exactly how to sign up, where to find the credits, and how to start using the model. So let's get started. So first we will come here, v0.app. Open this website. So after opening this website, as you can see right now, we faced with their vibe coding interface. It means that we can vibe code using their website. Right now we can chat here directly. You can see here we can select v0 mini, which is let's check which model is this. This is Claude Heco. If we come to v0 Pro, that is Claude Sonnet also, but v0 Max, which is Claude Opus 4.8. Max is Claude Opus 4.8 fast. We will select v0 Max. So we need first of all to create our account inside this website. So let's press this sign up button at the end. So we will create our account and start chatting with this and use this. So we need to create our account using Vercel, okay, because this v0.app is published by Vercel. So we will, let's say, sign up for v0. We suggest using the email address you use at work or school. So yes, I will just write my email, continue with email. So it requires verification. So let's open email address. Let's copy this code and come here back and paste that. So it will verify. So we directed to their website back and accept and continue their terms and services. So this is the user interface. As you can see at the end, we have $5 credit. Now we can use it on Claude Opus 4.8. Let's select this Claude Opus 4.8. So after selecting that, now we can use it and chat with it. But let's build a project directly using this website, this v0. So I will paste my prompt, which is create a quality browser game using React, TypeScript, Tailwind, CSS, Framer, Motion, and HTML5 canvas. The game should look like it was built by a professional game studio, and requirements are beautiful animation UI, dark futuristics, more 60 FPS, sound effects, partial, and all these are the requirements that I have explained. Now let's press and build our game. So let's press this button so it will continue to build our game for us. So we will check the capabilities of Claude Opus 4.8, how it is. So it has completed its task. Now let's check it. Okay, it is refreshing. Oh, let's wait. Yeah, so let's launch it. Okay, we can how it is a tutorial setting, and let's press the launch button. So as you can see, it is just, let's come here to the, you can hear the sound. Yes, so it was all about this. So you can play again, go to main menu and move to the settings. As you can see, you can fix everything and come here back to the how section, keyboard, touch, combos, all about this game that you can publish also on Vercel. Just press the publish button so you will be able to publish it. So it was all about here. You can check the code. So yeah, now you can just edit your code here, the database, and here you can just design mode, you can just edit it visually. So it was all about this. If you want to preview it, press this to preview. So it is the code. Okay, you will see now the files and the components. As you can see, these are all files for this game. If you want to preview, press this button. For the database, press this button. You will be able to see the database, but there is no database right now for this game. This was just a simple game. So it was just how to show you and how to use just the capabilities of Claude Opus 4.8. We have just 3 credits left for this game. Building this game, we lost $2. and $3 are remain still, and we can use it and test it if you want to test. You can test other models also, as I showed you at the start. Let's press new chart, and here you can move to this pro and this. If you select this mini, you can't lose too much tokens. You will have lots of messages to chat using mini, but for max you can use lots of token. So this was all about this to test the capabilities of Claude Opus 4.8. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any issue. Thanks for watching.